Hi guys, welcome to Tactile channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT voice control. So let's go to the browser and go to Google, and you have to write ChatGPT voice control. Click the first one, voice control for ChatGPT, this link. After that, you can see a extension. Just add to Chrome, add extension. The extension has downloaded. Now if you want to use this extension, you have to go here, extensions, pin it, this one, pin, and you can see here the extension. Just click on this to use it. It will suggest you to go ChatGPT website for this extension. So you can go in here by clicking on this ChatGPT. After that, you will find ChatGPT website. All thing is normal, but one thing is extra, which is this microphone button. So for this extension, you can use this microphone button or microphone. If you click on this microphone, you can give your voice or command ChatGPT for an answer, and ChatGPT will process your answer, and ChatGPT will give your answer with her voice. Just try it out. Just click this one and give your answer, then click it again like this. Sing me a song, ChatGPT. Sorry, pronunciation mistake. Okay, let's try it out.
Sure, I can create a song for you. Here's a fun and catchy song called Creativity. Verse 1. In the world of creativity, let's sing along with glee, a place where magic and joy reside, where dreams are meant to be. With every note and every word, let's fill the chorus. Oh, creativity, a melody so sweet, let's sing together, make the world complete. In harmony we'll find our way, our voices intertwined.
Okay, that was the wrong command. So let's try it again. Hi, please write 10 words song. Now if you click on yes, it will take. Just click on this.
Sure. Here's a 10-word song for you. Love and hope, a melody that brings hearts together.
Okay, you can see, right? It is taking your answers and giving reply with voice. Okay guys, so this is how you can use this voice control for ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.